Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. So Bailey's not gonna be in this video right now, but I'm gonna show you what I made her. I made her a squishy basket. So first a rainbow dumpling, a fuzz ball, a Minnie Mouse, a peace sign, a butter, a circle needle, a blobfish, a football, a popsicle needle, a dream drop, and this ice pop needle. So I'm gonna go put it somewhere in the room. I'm gonna hide it for her to find it. Okay, it's right there by our closet. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you what I like doing. Yes, I am still in my pajamas. This is so fun. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. Oh, hey!
Hey, I just got home. I got you something.
What did you get me?
Some stuff. They were sold out on dumplings. I was trying to find them, but I couldn't.
Okay.
Put them on the bed. Hold on, let's just here unbox your things right here that you got.
Ow. Okay, we have so many dumplings right now. I know, there's so many dumplings.
I really wish I could have found some, but sadly I couldn't. Back up.
Wait, what are you so excited about? I got dumplings.
Yes, I did actually get her some. I was thinking.
Did you unbox any?
No, I didn't.
Did you get any for yourself?
No.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So I got her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dumplings.
Okay, I'm gonna
Do the mini ones first?
the minis.
Okay.
Oh, baby, I just got the golden. Oh,
Dude, you're
my
so lucky.
gosh. I love it. Oh, I wanted the purple.
Say which one you want next.
Okay, I do want the pink or...
I already have a pink one.
I do want the pink or blue one next.
So I already have a pink one, but she wants a pink one because she keeps stealing mine.
I want a pink or blue one. She doesn't have a blue either, though. Okay, ready?
That's nice.
Yes! Oh my gosh, I love this pink so much.
Do you guys ever just do this with your squishies? Act like it's slime.
Yeah.
Are you ready for your other dumplings?
Oh, fancy Nancy packaging. Okay.
They only had sunlight, and they had one galaxy in the back, so I'm like, okay, I'll just get that one. Here, I'll plug in the UV light.
Okay. Ready? 3.
Hold on. Let me get the UV light. Alright.
Okay, ready, y'all?
So
So
UV
this
light
is
is right
Galaxy, I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted this one. That sounds so good.
I hopefully you like them.
Oh, I love them.
Where's your gold one? Not that guy.
This one. Okay. I'm just gonna open all these ones.
Because they're all sunlit.
Yeah.
Alright, so put one in.
Is that green?
What color do you think it is?
Green.
Green? Ooh, she got a green.
I always wanted a green, actually.
Okay, what color do you think this one is?
Blue.
Blue. Covering it so she doesn't cheat.
Ooh, toasty yellow. I like this.
Alright, I'm just gonna put this
Blue.
one in. Blue?
Blue. No, it's green.
Ooh!
I actually got a blue. I've always wanted a blue.
We don't even have a blue dumpling at all. How do you like your dumplings?
Thank you so much. But I hid a squishy basket for you somewhere in the room.
Did you show the camera? Can you tell me at least what area it's in?
It's out in the open.
Great.
It's pretty easy to look for.
Found it.
Where? Okay, guys, let's see what she thinks about them.
I'm really just like happy at the same time. Okay.
So
So
let me move.
first you got the Bomb Pop Squishy.
I know.
I love the Bomb Pop Squishy.
She's never had one before.
Yes, how'd you find that?
It was at Walmart.
I love this, you guys. Oh. Did you find the Dream Drop? Guys, she found the Dream Drop.
She's
so
always
excited.
wanted one because I have one.
Oh.
Oh,
She got me a Butter Squishy.
yeah.
Perfect. She got me a Blubber Blubber.
Lava fish.
She got me a Popsicle Nito. She got me a Football Nito. I love football so much. Definitely.
You just like the cheerleaders.
Yes, I do actually. You got me a Purple Nito.
Mhm.
Okay, I like.
You.
I know. I think she got me a Rainbow Dumpling. You guys. You also found a Fuzzball.
Yeah.
I love. Sand Squishy.
High five.
And she got me an Orbeez Squishy. Okay.
She's always had the urge to
Eat one. I've eaten Orbeez before. I know I have.
ew.
I know it's nasty.
Okay, guys.
Harper,
That's usually our ending, but nope.
I will be right back in a couple hours. I have to go somewhere.
Why?
I'm going somewhere.
Okay, I guess that's fine. Can you go check on the ice cubes before we leave? Oh yeah, guys, we made vanilla Coke ice cubes.
Yeah, I'll go see if they're good. And then I have to leave. I have to go somewhere with Mom.
Okay. I mean, yo, look at this. I love this. But I wanna give you guys something. No photos of my bum. Okay, ready? I'll be right back. Don't let him come in.
Yep.
Okay, guys. Hot dog. Bailey. Oh no. Does he want me? Are you guys cute?
Yes. They're almost done, but I will be right back. I'm going out.
Okay. I'm gonna give them ASMR. Okay, so let's sing. So, ow. Okay, let's play with this. I'm gonna be 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Guys, I can't find it. I can't find it. I need to try finding it. It's the order. Okay, ready? Woo! That sounds amazing. Okay, yeah. So I have a good singing. I'm good at singing. I'm gonna sing That's So True. That's so true. Made it out alive, but I think I lost it. Said that I was fine, said for my coffin. Remember how he died when he started walking? That's my life, that's my life. I can't fight taking out my earrings. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? You spend the night, catch me on your ceiling. That's your prize, that's your prize. Well, bet you're thinking she's so cool. Kicking back on your couch, making ice cream trucks. Ooh, wait, I think I've been there too. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait a couple hours because I feel like watching videos. Hey guys, I'm back. But I did not. Oh,
Okay, I just got back.
hey.
And I need to put in dolls out again.
Okay.
Items, actually, a lot of things.
Guys, she got me this.
And this.
Okay, let's sit back in my spot. It's a mess in my room now. Because in these couple hours, I was making a mess.
Of course you were. Sounds like you. I just literally got back.
Yeah.
We got Starbucks, but I didn't drink one.
Making a mess. I've been making a mess but I wasn't filming the full hour I was waiting because I didn't feel like doing that. Okay. Ice Cube Nito. Bailey, no. You didn't have to.
Oh, I did though.
A gumdrop. I've never seen a gumdrop before.
It looks like slime when you stretch it.
I know. It's stretchy.
Yes.
It's like harder. She got me 3 dogs. Stop stretching it right now. I've always wanted these because she has them. The heart. No. I needed this heart so bad. It's so good. Oh my gosh, the cat.
And I also got one thing.
A baseball and a basketball.
I got a couple things that couldn't fit in the thing.
Okay. Oh my gosh, she overstocked me. I've always wanted this one. Hey baby, I was wondering if you wanted a squishy treat after.
No.
Okay. I like this. The viral butter. Oh my gosh.
You sound
It
really
smells
excited.
so good. I am.
Really?
2 fuzzballs.
Just keep looking. You'll find something even better.
What is this?
Jelly squishy.
Wait, is this the one where there's jelly slime in it? I love this. It feels so nice. Banana. Ow. Banana. The big giant paw. I've always wanted this big giant paw to have a squishy.
Hold on a second, guys.
Okay, guys,
Sorry.
just a reminder, we are ending it after this. But the duck. Sounds so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh my. That sounds like drumming. Okay, what's the other stuff that you couldn't fit?
Ready?
The giant watermelon. The giant hot dog. Oh my gosh.
Hold on a second. I got one more thing, I think. Mega giant fuzzball.
So fun. Oh.
Well, guys, hold on, let's grab lunch. Hold on.
Can I have all mine?
3, 2, 1.
Bye.